Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing levels, testing levels. Levels is good, levels is good. Levels is good, devils is good, devils is good. Levels is good. Hold up, let me check. Let me make sure the levels are good. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. You feel me? Trying to jump in here at least for power hour. You feel me? Check. Let me make sure the levels are good. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Oh man, like I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like I had my alarm set. I had it set for to wake up, dude. At market open. Like, bruh, I don't want to be. Like, dog, they gonna force. Like, dog, Microsoft something else, bro. They trying to force me to like use their freaking what do you call it? Use their oh, I'm just trying to get a couple things set up here. They trying to force me to use they goddamn oh god forgive me. They're like browser and shit, like Bing and all that, bro. Like you gonna make me use that? Why did you spend $30, bro? Bro, I could have ordered something for cheaper than that. It better be a lot of food. Use they goddamn alright, cool. Just trying to make sure everything's straight. Cheaper than that. Alright, what's good, man? It's your boy E coming in with some finance solutions. I'm in the building. Oh man, bro, Disney, like I need to find, oh, you can't see that chart, but Disney is rocketing here. I need to find somewhere else to put this OBS. Let's check out the markets real quick. I mean, here's what the S&P 500 is looking like. You feel me? From this thing doesn't really, I don't know why it's going straight from, let me see something real quick. Chart parameters. That's one thing I don't like about this platform. Like I'm constantly having to go back in here and like change shit. Okay. Show data outside regular. Well, there is no data outside regular trading hours on the S&P 500. But off the open, we freaking dumped a little bit. Let's see if that level has any significance. Where we dumped to. Yeah, it does. Look. See right here, off the open, we dump. Look, these are 20-minute candles. So you can clearly see 41.11 80s or so. Might as well call it 41.12. Pretty significant. Look, bounced off of it there, chopped around, bounced, held as support, dumped, bounced off of it. So significant. So I mean, if you do your homework, you see that if we're fading off the open, we come down here and start playing around, we could possibly bounce off that level. And that's what happened. Look, boom. It just went long on some large caps up to the top. Let's check out success. So look, this thing's been fading most of the day, which means that the market's up most of the day. Now look, what's interesting is we came down here to this 1918, bounced, and we could come down here again and test it and bounce again, like for a double bottom. Yeah, if that happens, then the market will start fading. So we'll keep our eye on that. And what's Meta been doing? I'm gonna close the preview and close OBS. Okay, Meta's been bullish basically pre-market and after market open. I mean, Meta's been bullish, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Meta's been bullish as hell, bro. That thing's just been bullish, bro. Look, almost back up to 250. AMD's on the highs right now. Let's check it out. Look, we'll get rid of this level. As you can see, dump off the open, right? Came down here, found support, and started running up. That's the same level that we were just looking at on the S&P 500. So that's what I meant by. That's what I meant by, look. If you would have did your homework, you would have seen that we could have bounced off of that level, and then you could have went long on some large caps. Look, AMD is a prime example. See that? Same level that corresponds with that. And now everything's on the highs. I mean, bro, I honestly, and then I got NVIDIA underneath that, which is also on the highs. You can't see it because it's cut off. Look at this thing though, dude. Let's get in the trenches. Okay, so we're nowhere near the highs. I just wasn't zoomed in enough. I wasn't all the way over to the right. All right, so look, success. Remember what I said? Could have like a double bottom here. If we get that double bottom and this thing starts bouncing, that would be a signal to maybe go ahead and fade. S&P 500, I mean, bouncing with some decent volume off of the 9 EMA, crossing over the 120. Disney, I mean, I called out Disney. Let's go back over here. Let me just make sure everything's synced up right. All right. Dude, Disney's freaking ripping. I mean, I called it, but I was just, where's Disney at on my thing? All right. Remember, I was like, the last day or whatever, Friday, I traded Disney in the SPY. I went long on Disney. Caught the washout, which would be like, all right, this is today. Where's the last trading period? So right here, last trading period, look. This is what I caught. But these are 5-minute candles. Obviously, I was watching 1-minute candles, but I caught that washout. And I was like, hey, let me see if I can zoom in. Okay. Like, it's so hard to do it with these 1-minute candles. I believe it was over here. All right. Fuck it. Wasting too much time. Whatever. But as you remember, I was like, yeah, bro, like, the reason why I went long is because, God fucking damn it. Yeah.
Get this.
All right. Damn, son. Every time I get on, try to do something, bro. I'm telling you. All right, hold up real quick, bro. I need to run outside and get my food, bro. That my girl brought me. Just give me 1 second. My bad, dog. My bad, dog. My bad, dog. I'm gonna go out there and get that girl real quick. I forgot what I was saying, bro. But the gist of it was that I felt like Disney is not gonna break down 90, and looks like I was actually right. Cause look, we got down to 90.76. I was like, there's no way Disney's gonna break down that 90. That's why I went long the previous trading period. You feel me? But luckily, I just caught the washout and the quick bounce off the open and got out because that thing faded. You know what I mean? But the same thesis is still true. Let's see what the SPY is doing here. Looks like we're running up, and look at this. Look at the S&P 500. We'll see how close we are away from the highs. Okay, so 41.25 is the high of day here. I'm going to call that resistance more like 41.40s. Like that thing nice and thick, dog. What color should a resistance be to break through? You feel me? Like blue or something? Yeah. All right. 41.41. We're trading at 41.35. All right. And Disney is on the highs as well. Scrolling over here. AMD is on the highs. Meta backed off the highs. AMD is right on the highs and pushing higher. Actually, let's get in the trenches a little bit so we can see the price action. I mean, kind of topping out. Oh my God, bro. I gotta put my phone on Do Not Disturb, bro. Like, bro. I swear. All right, I'm seeing a little top in action here. AMD on the highs. You can't see Nvidia. Nvidia's down here. It's also on the highs. But I seen a little weakness in the S&P 500 now, as you can see from right here. So we got up to what, like 41.35s, and then rejected decent. Hold on. I mean, here's the SPY. Wait. You can see that rejection manifesting here as well. See that? Looks almost identical. But this is what I was getting ready to show you. Look, remember I was talking about that little double bottom action? If we keep dumping right here, there's still a chance to see that. I mean, let's see how the S&P 500 reacts. It looks like they're selling into it. It's too early to call right now. Let's actually go to a 1 minute on SOXS. I do see a little wick on the bottom here. Let's make sure we're on the right chart. Yeah, a second. All right. All right, see that little wick on the bottom? And then you see this wick on the top. So right now it's a fight. But I mean, AMD still on the high. Actually, like I said, Meta backed off a little bit. 240 was a high day on that. Now Nvidia, bro, Nvidia is just putting in higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Here, I'll show you right here. Look at that. Look at that. Just grinding up. Because we'll leave Nvidia. Now I want to watch AMD up here. I'll leave Nvidia down here. Look, AMD still on the high. Meta, I mean, that's a 5 minute chart. I mean, you can't really base too much off of Meta these days, dog, because honestly, it's been bullish as hell, and for the most part doing its own thing. So you can't really base too much off of that. And I'm watching Disney. It's just behind my OBS, like, but I feel like I need to keep the preview there. Let's go back over here. You seen the S&P 500 grinding up? Wait, let's go back. So look, on the 1 minute, kind of grinding up. What sucks us doing here? We haven't ruled out the possibility for a double bottom here on success. Look at this $19 whatever, 19 and change. Look, bomb. As you see this thing try to bounce, you see weakness come in. Now let's look at where we're at in the grand scheme of things. And for the most part, pretty bullish day. Dumped, and then we grinded all the way up to a high day at about 4140s. Gave some back. So I mean, we are putting in higher lows. The question is, do we keep putting in higher lows or do we dump from here? Because we are closer to the top of the range than the bottom. So I feel like it's more likely we dump right here, especially with SOX S starting to look bullish here. I feel like it's more likely we dump. Look at that. See what I'm saying? Let's get back over here. You feel me? And look, Tesla's all the way down here. Let's see where we're at. All right, Tesla's backside. So, look at that freaking dump, dude. Oh, right off the open, bro. Like, you could have traded that both ways. Look, calls to the upside right quick, and then puts to the downside right quick. And then, I mean, after we found support, like, I mean, calls again. But we seem to be dumping. But I don't know what's been going on with Apple, bro. But Apple has been looking super weak. Look at that. I mean, not really. Okay, what's this level here? Let's get rid of that. Not really. Like we went up, but look, there's definitely some resistance up here. So let's take note of that. I'll say about 174 flat or so. Yeah, definitely some resistance up there on Apple. So if we get back up there and start looking weaker around 174, definitely be looking to fade from up there. And right now, I mean, I'm just showing. I don't know, like they I think I clicked on something and signed up for more market data, bro. Like, I honestly think they're overcharging me, bro. All right, so this is crucial. I mean, fighting with the 120, the Qs look like it wants to break down. The SPY is above it. And S&P 500 bouncing. But, dog, let's see if that's trappy or not, bro. I mean, obviously, for the majority of the day, it wasn't trappy. We were bullish. But look, dump, back up, reclaim previous close, consolidate, run up, hit a high, come back down to previous close, bounce, fade, bounce. So, depending on what happens right here, you feel me? What level is that? 4133, 4134. Depending on what happens right here. Like, if we break back above that, we might see some opportunities to go long. If we cannot get back above that level, where we just double top that, if we don't put in a higher low relative to here, and get back above that, then I'm going to go ahead and say probably best to look to fade. Especially, look, Success has put in a higher low here. See that? Look, double bottom, now higher low on the 5 minute. Trying to put in a higher low with this present candle opening above the previous candle and also opening on the 9 EMA, which is pretty bullish if we can hold. And look, remember what I said, depending on what happens right here. So look, came up, hit it, came up, hit it. Now, if we could just not break down, like if we come back down here, bro, and break down past this chop, then I'm going to go ahead and say it's probably time to fade some large caps, in my opinion. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any type of equity or, you know what I mean, like derivatives and or cryptocurrency. But this is and we're going into power hour. Look, AMD kind of backed up off the highs a little bit. High of day is 96.99. Might as well call that 97. Nvidia also backed up off the high a little bit. Meta definitely backed up off the high a decent amount. We're trading at 238.90s. High of day is 240 and change. Now look, higher lows on SOXS on the 5 minute. Look, now the S&P 500 is dumping, like I said. Obviously, up here, close to the top of the range of the resistance would have been the best place to fade. But also, if we break down this level and start heading down here towards previous close, there still might be some opportunity. In the meantime, let's check out some stuff off the watch list. Hey, most talked about stocks. AI, Tesla, PXMD, Palantir, FRC, and PACW. Want to take a look at some of those real quick? I had some PXD, some PXMD, and look, we're seeing some bullishness come in. S&P 500, but again, dude, came up here. We didn't break down that level yet, so that's good. See how we're trading in this range right here, 41.3390s to 41.2975. We're stuck in that range. Whatever side we break out of the range out of would be looking enticing for a direction. Doesn't matter to the downside. If we break out towards the downside, I'd be looking to fade. If we break out through the resistance to the upside, maybe looking to scalp long. You know what I mean? That's why you got to keep your bias out of it. Trust me. AI. Well, look at this thing, bro. I can see why it's been talked about. Look at that, bro. Ooh. My God, dude. 1950s up to $24 and running still, dude. And it has an option chain. Let's see, weekly, quarterlies. All right, the closest expiration is in 4 days on the 19th. That thing's up 23%. Again, bro, if you and still running, Look, $24. Like, I had it on the watch list. I'm telling you, bro. Jump on that watch list, my guy. You knew about that, bro. I mean, this thing ain't really do much. It's all good. Palantir. Actually, I loaded up on some Palantir for the long term. Probably should have got some freaking some calls, huh? I did. I loaded up, and look, previous level drawn in here. Look how we're respecting that. Look, 950. Freaking gap down, reject, reject, break above it. Now it's acting as support. 950 on Palantir. I'm good. Full disclosure, I did add some to the long term because it's so cheap. What? FRC? What happened to that? Mexico? I don't know. I think they got bought out. Another one was Pack W that I had on there. Oh, up 11%, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Look at that. On the highs, dude, the thing might run. This thing looking like it's gonna run going into either it's gonna run till the close or that thing about to dump, bro. But right now we're on the highs, but look. High a day up here is 512. I mean, obviously there might be some resistance up here. Dude, that thing's freaking, it's going there. I think it just broke past. I think it's trying to make a new high day. 511. Decent volume coming in. About 200,000 shares. It just looks like it grinded up on low volume though, bro. I see a lot of price action going on here. But that's another one off the watch list. Look at that. Jump on that watch list, bro. I just need to go in the Patreon and lower the price. I mean, it's a good value right now at the price it's at, but you know what I mean? With inflation and everything, bro. All right, so I don't know. Again, let's look at the SPY in the grand scheme of things. Definitely some resistance up here at 413. We're like midpoint, but dude, dump up, reject. We have been putting in higher lows. Down the VWAP bounce. So hold up. Let me try to make a key level real quick. About 412, 412.30s. We're gonna call that a key level. Or 1230s. Meaning if we come down here and crack this, it's more likely that we fade. S&P 500 still trading in this range over here. That's what I'm saying. Like, we're in that range. I feel like in order to really see some action, and look, kind of did a double bottom, but then did a fake out. So that's success. Nvidia's starting to dump right now. Off the 3-minute look. But the S&P 500 seems to be bouncing. Bouncing, getting up. Here, let's just look at it. Going up to the top of this range again. Disney on the highs. I'm telling you, man. Like, I called it. But like one of my rules. Here, let me just show you real quick. Actually, like one of my rules is if I trade something and you feel me, I do decent on it. You feel me? You know what I mean? It's a good trade, green trade, decent trade. I am not so quick to run right back to that ticker in fear of giving money back. You feel me? Looks like we're at the top of the range, dog, on Disney. Hold up. Let's not be lazy. I don't know why I have to go back and do that all the time. Alright. We're at the down. No, bro. We're looking bullish. Hold up. Look. So we're getting up to the top of that little range that we've been trading in, and we're about to break out of it. Disney on the highs. Damn, I think I did get a couple of shares of Disney too for the long term, just because it was cheap. You know, it's a good blue chip company. All right, Disney on the highs right now, bro. Hold up. Look where it came from. 104, bro. We're trading at 92. So $10 under where it came from. How much are, I mean, 4 days out, what are the calls running on Disney? 93 calls or 73 cents. They expire in a couple of days. I don't know, bro. Looking at this, looking at that, like I feel like I'm interested in some 93 calls, bro. For the 70 cents. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Remember what I said? We are at the top of the range though. But see, Disney's an interesting case. Because yeah, we're at the top of the range, but it dumped so much already. Those 93 calls. Yeah, I like the 93 calls. We'll hold our horses though. If anything, I'll grab them in the long term, like on my other account. And I'll go a little further out. All right, so we're in power hour. But you also have to be cognizant of that 10 of 10. We need to be cognizant of that. So look, high a day 413. I'm interested in 413 calls right now. They're cheap too. Dog, it's just like we're so close to end of day though. Like there's no like the fucking the time decay, bruh. I'd be I don't know, it's hard to call. Cause we're like in the middle, dog. Look, top, key level, bottom. We're grinding our way up. But look, looking like some type of double top up here. It might be a fake out. See that? It might be a fake out. We might fade. Let's keep our eye on that. AMD on the highs. Meta trying to get back up to the highs. Putting in some higher lows. As you can see from here. AMD. Look at that. It's making new highs. Nvidia's down here. Not far from it. All right, now look. So we broke past that. Fighting with that. Look at this wick. Here comes the rejection. Here comes the rejection. Look, look at that long wick. They're selling it hard, bro. So 412 puts. I mean, they're super cheap. Why not? You know what I'm saying? We're so close at the end of the day, though. I'll try one. Oh shit! Hold up. All right, I don't know where my fucking thing was. See, that little bit of time, I lost that time. This is the chart of the contract. I mean, honestly, I'd be more comfortable fading from up here, bro. But there is a key level here. 412.30s. I mean, honestly, bro, like the market's. I don't know if it's bullish. Look, there's the dump, dude. Wait, what? Oh, bro. Hold up. I knew it. Uh, dude, I don't want to use margin, bro. I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that. Well, they're trying to make me use margin. Something that I don't want to do. Yeah. If dude, no. I forgot about that. But I could fix it. I just don't have time to do it right now. Look at that, dude. We're dumping. Dumping, bro. I'm telling you, I'm trying to grab them puts. And I see tech dumping decent. That's what I'm gonna do. Go right here. I'm gonna put the spy over here. No, the Qs I'll be looking at those 326s. The puts. Oh, we want the weeklies and quarterlies and all that. I want the weeklies. Yeah. All right. What was I saying? The 326 puts. Super cheap. But the market's bouncing. And honestly, Disney's on the highs. AMD's on the highs. The S&P 500 is I don't know, fighting with the 9 EMA right now. If we reject off that 9, we get paid, bro. If we break back above this chop 41.33, then I'm gonna have to fall back with trying to fade shit, because obviously, like, we're not, no one's trying to trade against the trend, bro. You feel me? All right, that's a little messy here. Let's get rid of all that. I mean, ever since we dumped, right, coming out of lunchtime, we have been kind of bullish. But again, bro, who knows, bro? Disney's still on the highs. 92.50s. AMD on the high, bro. AMD's been kind of bullish lately. But I don't know. I feel like going long when it's been this bullish, it feels like a chase to me, to be honest with you. Look at Meta, dude. Wow. That's the only thing that sucks with trying to execute this late. We gotta wait and see what happens. S&P 500 continuing to look bullish. Success continuing to look weak. Now this is interesting. It seems like there might be some resistance around here. Like 326.50s on the Qs. Let's see what happens. 326.50s. See that? $326.50s on the Qs. I mean, that's looking kind of bullish. So they're buying that. But what happens when we get up here to this resistance at 41.34? Or actually 41.35. Let's watch it. Disney's still on the high. You can't see it because it's underneath that, but trust me, it is. Disney and AMD on the highs. All right, so 41.35. The S&P 500 has broken past that decent. At the same time, it looks like StockX is breaking down that support. So, and AMD is pushed up and made a new high. Everything's chasing the highs right now. Definitely looking bullish going until the close. If you go to like the 3 minute or the 5, look, we haven't really broken past that 41.35 yet. Yeah, we tested it, but it got sold a little bit. And AMD's kind of, Meta has hit a resistance up here at about 239.50s and started fading. And look, there's a wick here on the top. So some selling went on here. Underneath the 9 EMA now, AMD is still bullish on the highs. Just sleeping on the high, bro. It's a new bed is on the high, bro. That thing's been bullish, dog. I ain't gonna lie, dude. We looking bullish. Definitely looking bullish. I mean, high days way up here, but clearly there's resistance right here. Or, I mean, a level. It was resistance. It could act as support now. I feel like if we come down here and crack this 326.50s, we could fade some. I'll be looking at those 326 puts. Oh, they're super cheap. It's too late. Because there's no intrinsic value left in them. And like every minute that ticks by, they just lose value. What's she getting? Pollo tropical. Come on, dude, I'm starving. What did I say? $326, 326.50s, key level on the Qs. Let's watch this thing. Holding it. 41.35 on the S&P 500. Holding it. Look, 41.35 trying to dump past it. I don't know. It's hard to call right now. Let's see what tomorrow's expirations. Because there's not enough. It's too late in the day to be trading same day expirations right now. In my opinion, probably want to go to tomorrow. Look at that S&P 500. Here we go. Cracking that level. We're at the top. Closer to the top than the bottom. So is it more likely that we fade from up here or keep grinding up and making new highs? I mean, it is Monday. Mondays are bullish. $41.35 on the SPY. I might not the SPY, the S&P 500. Disney on the high, 92.70s, new high. Look, some dumping coming in. Could this be the washout down to the bottom? All right, so the 326 puts on the Qs with tomorrow's expiration are about 75 cents. So, about $75 per contract. Let me get one primed up. I'm watching this. What I'm watching. $326 puts on the Qs. What do you think? Going up in value. All right, bro. I was actually about to jump on one, but because I'm not familiar with this platform, I can't see where to take it off a margin and just let me use my cash. Um, I don't want to execute the trade and then they like flag me for PDT. And actually, I'm glad I didn't because it's just looking bullish. That's a prime example. Look at this shit. That's a prime example of why I don't use hotkeys. Because I feel like if it's really a good trade, like a split second or two shouldn't matter. I mean, unless you're scalping. Well, it's on you, bro. They playing with it. But honestly, this isn't trappy. Yeah, we dumped, pushed up, higher low, pushed up, higher low, pushing up. So it's definitely not trappy. So obviously, you don't want to trade against the trend. But I need to freaking see how to take my shit off a margin, bro. And let's just watch the main screen real quick. Oh, and I'll be right back. I'm just turning my webcam on. I'll take my jacket off. Dog, every time I start eating, like my freaking body temperature goes up and I start getting hot. Start sweating. Like, it's weird, right? I don't know why that is. Every time I start eating, I get hot. All right. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Volume coming in on success. Damn, bro, there's got to be a way for me to take this shit off of take it off of margin. Look, 326s, bro. I've been calling them out, bro. Damn, and you see me try to execute, but I'm scared. I don't. I need to make sure that I'm using cash and not margin, bro. Because that's why I like to trade the derivative, because you could cash clears overnight, and then you don't have to worry about all that other shit like the PDT. If you're using cash and if you're trading the derivative. So I feel like it's a win-win. You don't have to worry about your cash trades. It clears overnight, and you get leverage. You feel me? All right, what was I saying? The 326 puts on the Qs, the 412 puts on the SPY. Expiration tomorrow, though. It's too late in the day right now, so you have to go out till tomorrow. Maintain that. Yeah, I know we're looking bullish. We're looking bullish right now, but bro, I don't believe it. I believe we hit some type of resistance and fade, bro. Look, Nvidia's already started doing it. Meta's like looking kind of weak. The only thing that's on the highs is Disney and AMD. Look. All right, this could be trappy going into the close. Look, push up, fade, push up, fade, push up. Depends on how far we fade. Now, if we fade past this, trappy. If we fade back past 41.34, trappy. Looking bullish right now. Look at Meta though. Trying to hold that 120. AMD. It's finally backed up off the highs. All right. Contingent on this. Honestly, bro, it's like we're looking super bullish, bro. So probably want to refrain from fading anything right now, except for Meta. $239 puts for the quick scalp on Meta. We got 239.05. Oh wait, fighting, looking weak. Looking weak. Rejecting off the 120. Looking weak. some buyers stepping in on the meta. I mean, as long as this thing keeps fading like this, though, especially semis are going to be bullish. As long as this thing stays on the lows, AMD is going to keep running. Buyer stepped in on the highs. Yeah, we're bullish, bro. Like, no denying it. But that pissed me off. Look at that shit. $600,000 shares. I mean, probably a good thing that I wasn't able to execute any trades. I ain't trying to get flagged for PDT, even though, bro, look, I'm still like, 326 puts, bro. With tomorrow's expiration, May 16th. Because look, we gapped up, freaking ran up even more, and like, dude, we're at the top. We're at the top of the range, bro. I feel like it's more likely we fade than freaking keep running up like this, in my opinion. The thing is, we're so close to close that you'd have to be going. You have to go out to the next day. That's the only thing. Look at the spot. Already showing some signs of weakness. And then, look. Nvidia's creeping its way back up, but dude, I'm at. Look, bro. This is why I'm saying, bro. I'm interested in them puts, bro. This is what I'm talking about. God damn it. That's what I'm talking about, dude. This is why. Because like, look at this dumping. Look at that. Look at that. What do we bounce off of? 41.32? Look at that. And they're continuing to sell into it. Look at this. $326s, dude. 412s. God damn. Bro, I'm trying to grab some, dude. But they keep telling me something about fucking margin and shit, bro. Like, I ain't trying to use it. How do I change this to cash? Hold up. I don't have time to figure all that out right now. Fuck. Settings. Interactive, simplified, rapid transmit. I'm gonna have to figure that out afterwards. Look at this, dude. Telling me they're not selling that? Can you really sit there and tell me they're not selling this, bro? With this long ass wick right here, bro. And this dump right here, bro. I don't care about any dead cat bounces right now. It's dead cat, dude. It's a dead cat bounce, bro. Look at Meta. Top in action on AMD. Nvidia just freaking trading sideways. Even Disney, Disney's still on the highs. Look at that. Look at these wicks. Look at that. 41, 33, 50s. What do we got? 10 minutes left? Wait, we didn't get to 10 yet. Rejecting off the 9. Dead cat bounce, bro. And if it isn't, we fade after hours. I'm telling you. You don't see a dump like that and all these wicks right here on top. If there ain't no sellers up there, look. Look at Meta. AMD's been topping out for a while now. Meta's dumping. I mean, that's pretty bullish. But, look, dude. What level was that? 41.34. Telling you, dude. $326 puts, they're the same price. The ones for tomorrow. Look at this Doja candle. Look at that. Indecision, but followed by this dump. That's bearish to me. And look at Meta. Telling you, bro. Doja candle, indecision. But after that dump, bearish. And look, some buyers trying to step into success here. You know, it's turning into selling. Hold on. Bearish to me, bro. Bearish to me. All right, so look, we're in that 10 to 10 right now. Do we see the inverse 10 or not? I mean, Meta just caught some volume. Look at that. I don't trust it. I don't trust it, dog. Look at this thing. Telling you I don't trust it. I don't trust it, bro. AMD is pushing up higher to the highs though. So is Nvidia. Nice volume just came in. What about 30-second candles? Yeah. I don't know how to read 30-second candles. Dog, AMD's bullish as hell, bro. I'm trying to break past the 9 EMA. Rejecting off of it. Damn, dude. Actually wanted to make a couple trades. Look. Look. I was actually trying to trade the SPY, and like, there would have been a winning trade. Look, the SPY's weaker. Look. Remember? I was saying the 412s. Check it out. Check it out. About 8 minutes left. Rejecting off the 9 EMA once again. If we reject hard enough, we crack the 120 and fade. Right here. Look at this. I mean, AMD's just trading sideways on the highs. I mean, trappy, bro. I don't know, dog. I feel like it's trappy. Because the simple fact that this thing dumped like this, and then you see all these wicks, and yeah, there's bullishness right now, bro. But I feel like this thing freaking fades or gaps down after hours and pre-market tomorrow. I mean, even the 326 puts, they lost what, like $8. They went down $8 in value. The ones again that expire tomorrow. All right, let me put this back how I always have it. Soon as market's over, soon as market close, I'm gonna freaking figure out how to switch this shit just to take the margin off of it. Bro, look. Dude. What the fuck? Like. What did I say, bro? That shit trappy, dog. Watch. After hours and pre-market, dude, this shit gonna dump. If it doesn't dump now, it's gonna keep fading. Look. 412 puts on the SPY. Oh, they just freaking went up about $10 real quick off that jerk. But as of now, they are 81 cents. Look at that. Done broke down past all the chop. Dude, AMD is freaking looking super bullish though, I ain't gonna lie, bro. AMD's looking super bullish. Meta's fading. Nvidia actually pushed up towards the high at the end of the day. Look at AMD, bro. That shit bullish, dude. It's about to crack 100 pretty soon here. At the same time, Meta's fading. I don't understand it. The only thing I can think is that Meta's just been so bullish for so long that it has to give some back. All right. Couple minutes left. This has been looking pretty trappy. Let's see if we get another rejection off the 9 EMA. Looking like it wants to bounce. Telling you, bro. AMD on the highs, making new highs. Nvidia's on the highs. Disney on the highs. Disney on the high. AMD on the high. Was. Video on the high. S&P 500. S&P 500 is trying to fight. I mean, there's only like a minute left. It's a minute and basically a minute left in the trading period. See if we get any crazy freaking price action. Not the last minute, dude. I just seen a lot of volume on the selling side come in on Meta just now. About 750,000 shares. All red. All red. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Bullishness. Dude, wow, look at this shit. Alright, well, excuse me. But that shit just ripped going into the close, bro. Holy shit. Hey, I still maintain, bro. We fade or gap down or something after hours. You feel me? I've seen setups like this before, bro. Look, 413 hit that level, rejected decent. And that's look, 413 30s, 413 flat. That sucks. I wanted to take a few trades, but alas, I couldn't. There's always some bullshit stopping me. But once I get this ironed out, I'll be good, bro. I'm actually about to jump on and call them right now. Make sure they take me off margin. But yeah, man, that's what we had. I might jump on and make some shorts later, showing you guys some runners and shit, and some possible plays. Up 12%. Faraday drumming down 5%. Getter up 50%. You know I've been briefing on that. AI up 25%. You know I've been briefing on that. Pac W up 17.5%. You know I've been briefing on that as well. Disney, you know I've been talking about Disney. I mean, really, a lot of shit's up. Damn, ChargePoint up 4%. All right, decent. I mean, I had ChargePoint in the long term for a hot minute, but it gave back too much. I had ChargePoint in the long term. I got in at 12 and like rode it back up to 20. And didn't get out. Then when we got back up to like 17, I got out. But I mean, honestly, around $8, $8.50, probably wouldn't be a bad time to get back in it. Because, you know, ChargePoint's going to be a winner over the long term with the EV, with all the EV stuff coming out. Chicken Soup for the Soul did something today, up 15%. Look at that. Carvana up 10%. You know, I've been briefing on that as well, bro. That's why you need to jump on that watch list, my guy. But anyways, got some stuff to handle, bro. Probably jump on and do some gaming here. But anyways, man, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or enjoyed the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe or drop a follow. All of that. I do apologize I couldn't be on at the open, but I was up late last night working on some other stuff. You feel me? But anyways, like I said, if you like the content and learn anything, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Discord and or Patreon to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace.